Welcome back to my YouTube channel Tech Captain. In this video, I'm going to tell you some very useful tricks which will boost the battery backup of AirPods from 70 to 100%. So let's start the video. The first thing you have to take care is don't fiddle up with your AirPods case. If you fiddle up with your AirPods case, it will affect the AirPod case and indirectly it will also affect the AirPods as well. So don't do this. The second trick is don't place your AirPods outside of the case. Most of the people place the AirPods out of the case after using. Don't do this, it will also affect the battery health of AirPods. So when you put AirPods after using into the case, it will help boosting the battery of AirPods. Always put the AirPods into the case. Moving toward the third trick, don't use one AirPod at a time. If you are using AirPods, then use both AirPods. If you used one AirPod at a time, it will affect the battery of one AirPod while it does not use the battery of the second. So indirectly it will affect the AirPods battery health. So when you are using AirPods, use both AirPods. The fourth trick is go to settings, then tap on my AirPods and turn off this automatic ear detection. It will help saving the battery of AirPods. The fifth and the last trick is don't place your AirPods in direct sunlight. Always place your AirPods in a moderate temperature area. So that's it for the video. I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel Tech Captain and I will see you in the next one.